Hi, and welcome back to Soul Art, and thank you for joining me on my fluid art journey. Today I'm doing a Dutch pour. I'm going to be using my hairdryer to push the paints across the canvas in different directions. The middle part of my canvas though is going to be covered in painter's masking tape because I want to leave that blank ready for a stencil when the other parts of my painting have dried. The colour inspiration today came to me while I was sitting in church listening to the sermon, which was on the book of John, and I noticed the colours in my shoes were just standing out to me. So I just thought, what a great colour inspiration to use for my next painting. So stay tuned as I get pouring and make a creation as unique as you. Here is the dried result. It's turned out quite well, considering that is from scrapped paint on the side. Did the strip in the middle purple because it really brought out the purple colour in the rest of the painting. Done the stencil. Last bit to do is to varnish it. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. God bless and see you in the next one.